Yo, what's up guys? Hope everyone's doing well. And yes, I just want to give you guys a bit of an update. I bought the Ford Figo 1.4 TDCi from an auction. I paid 32,855, I think it is. And yeah, let me guys give you a little bit of a breakdown. I have changed the tires, I put on new tires. I have what have I done so far? Oh yeah, and so the ignition, the car was a non-starter with 160,000 Ks on the clock. So it was not a big problem. Put it on diagnostics. Diagnostics showed that there was a wiring issue. Picked up there was one earth wire missing. I don't know how. They had an aftermarket touch button installed on the car, so I removed the touch button and I stripped a ignition off another Ford Figo that my stepfather has in his yard, and I've ended up installing it in here. So now there's a key, but the key barrel was broken, so I ended up replacing the key barrel, got a new key set, and I just need to redo the door locks and the boot lock. Then all the keys are the same, there's no difference in keys, and it will help the car sell better. So let me guys show you what I've picked up so far on the car and where we are on the journey. I'm planning on making a good profit off of this one. Today is also a very good day. I finally got rid of the S38L. I did not get what I wanted, but it's one of those things. You don't buy one of those cars if you want to make money. So yes, let me quickly give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek what I'm working with. Here is the Ford Figo 1.4 TDCi. As you can see, body wise in not too bad condition. I don't know about that sticker so lacquer, but yeah. I opened the bonnet. Let me just show you guys. So it looks like I need to replace the turbo core. It looks like it's leaking oil everywhere. There's oil. The car starts, got it a fresh battery, and yes, I sorted out the ignition. I had a stop start button. You'll see now it's got a brand new fresh key. Check there, 160,000 Ks on the clock. Brand new key. Works lacquer, everything turns on. Hundreds. Car starts. A little bit dirty now, but I will clean it up properly, get it sorted. Let's have a look here. There's the stop start mechanism that I removed. Check how clean this car is, man. This thing's not bad. I need to spray a bit here, fix there a bit. See, the tires are fresh, just a bit dirty. I have a new panel for this already. Be replacing that. We'll be fixing that properly, and yeah, that is the car. Car is a starter now. It was not starting. I have ordered a core for this. I will be doing the core on this turbo and sorting it out. I might look for a pipe like this. Looks like they put tape on it. So yeah, I will be sorting that out very soon. And yes, then I'll give you guys enough. I hope you guys enjoy my content, and please, if you do, like, share and subscribe. I'll try and make these videos more and more entertaining. Like one of my previous videos, I did an Arnold voiceover. So yeah, let's get cranking, and I will give you guys more updates as I continue to post more and work more on the vehicle. There's not a lot more to do on this car, just touch up here and there on the paint job, try and blend it in properly so that it doesn't look too, eye catching and so on. And hopefully I can sell this car for probably close to around 75,000 rand. Yeah, that's the goal, so let's see if we could do that. I'm excited. I think this one I'll make good money off of. The S3, I did not make any money off of it. That was really a sore in my pocket, but it's gone. It's gone today. So yes, let's move on to bigger, greater things.